messages from the FBI. Please remain calm. Last 5:58 p.m. in Oklahoma, several people were missing dead, injured, wounded. This was caused by a radioactive leak in northern west of Oklahoma during a test fail over a deadly substance. 42 dead, 73 missing, 32 wounded, 123 injured. It has been seen that there is multiple stages of this leak's mutation form. If you are one,
we can help you.
Mutation forms according to the radioactive leak. Stage 1. Intestines growing, starting to grow to limbs, being talar deformation. Stage 2. Dual limb stellarogrisons deformation. Stage 3. Crazytulus form, can rotate head 720. Growing organs and body parts, bones are being longer. Stage 4. 3 limbs, bones are longer, super deformed. Can rotate head as much, body parts are taller, more sensitivity. May God bless you and be with you.